day, sir. I am Justine Inato, and the topic that I chose was someone always deserve a second chance. So, my introduction was almost all people in this world does things unnecessarily. However, it's either for good or for bad. They don't care about other people might affected from their action. But people doesn't make things without any reason. That's why I do believe that someone always deserve a second chance because somebody says that nobody is perfect and it is not too late to apologize and to be forgiven. And the body of my topic was everyone deserve a second chance because we are all human and make mistake. Whether it's a small slip up or major mistake, we all have the capacity to learn and grow from our experiences. Offering someone second chance show compassion and forgiveness, and we can lead it to a positive change in behavior and relationship. And my conclusion was no one is perfect, but everyone has a potential to improve and make amends from their past actions. Giving someone second chance allows to move forward in a more positive direction. Ultimately, giving second chance provide for opportunity of individuals to turn their lives around and become the best version of themselves. And that's all. Thank you.